Hey, it's Mike Payette with Mikey's Board, Mikey's Fest, and we're at our Phoenix Ronald McDonald House project. We're cleaning 3 Ronald McDonald houses, and we have probably our largest crew of Mikey Festers yet at this event.
Close your eyes with me, start imagining a world full of love. We can change.
We're cleaning lots of vinyl, tile and grout, a tremendous amount of upholstery. We're fixing countertop joints, doing some glass scratch repair. Boy, all sorts of stuff going on.
They won't stop staring, but soon they'll be caring. Come from near and far with their hands and hearts, 'cause it's time.
An amazing amount of people flying from all corners of the state.
I'm based out of Houston, Texas, so I just kind of volunteered my services for a worthy cause and also to get some learning experience.
It's a privilege to be here donating our time. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else besides here helping out everybody here.